Good morning, class 10th. Today we study about the electricity chapter. Which is 12th chapter of science. Dear students, electricity has an important place in modern society. It is a controllable and convenient form of energy for a variety of uses in homes, schools, hospitals, industries, and so on. What constitutes electricity means how does it flows in an electric circuit? What are the factors that control or regulate the current through an electric circuit? In this chapter we will attempt to answer such questions. So firstly we study about electric current and electric circuit. Electric current and circuit. So what is electric current? Before knowing about electric current, firstly we have knowledge about conductors. Conductors are those substances, as we study in previous classes, conductors are those substances which allow electricity, and electricity means electric current. Which allow electricity to pass through them. Conductors are those substances which allow electricity, or we can say that electric current, to pass through them. So what is electric current? So when electric charge flows through a conductor, when electric charge, we denote electric charge in physics as Q. When electric charge flows through a conductor, we say that there is electric current in the conductor. Listen carefully. When electric charge flows through a conductor, we say that there is electric current in the conductor. I am repeating. When electric charge flows through a conductor, we say that there is electric current in the conductor. For example, there is a metallic wire which is a conductor. When there is electric charge flows through it, we say that there is electric current in the conductor. When electric charge flows through a metallic wire or a conductor, we say that there is electric current in the conductor or metallic wire. For example, we know that the cells provide flow of charge or an electric current through a torch to glow the bulb. For example, let's take an example of torch or a bulb. This is battery. So when we connect battery to a wire, so when bulb glows, we say that there is electric current in the circuit. Means that there is a flow of charge. there is a flow of charge in the electric wire, metallic wire. So that when charge flows, we say that there is electric current in the circuit. Now suppose if we break this circuit from any place, if we break it, then bulbs does not glow. Means that when the circuit is broken anywhere, the electric current stop flowing. Again I am repeating, when the electric circuit is broken anywhere, for example I broke there, when the electric circuit is broken anywhere, the electric current stop flowing and bulb does not glow. Now what is the formula to find the electric current? I. We denote electric current as I. Electric current as I, and electric charge as Q, and time as T. So formula of electric current is I is equal to Q upon T. I is equal to Q upon T means that if a net charge Q flows through any cross section of a conductor in time T, then the current I flows through the cross section is equal to Q upon T. And the SI units of electric charge, SI units of electric charge is, electric current is electric charge is coulomb. SI units of electric charge is coulomb, which is equal to 6 into 10 raised to the power 18 electrons. 1 coulomb is equal to 6 into 10 raised to the power 18 electrons. So I am repeating, the formula of electric current is I is equal to Q upon T, and SI units of electric charge is coulomb, which is equal to 6 into 10 raised to the power 18 electrons. So formula of electric current is I is equal to Q upon T, where I is electric current, Q is electric charge, and T is time taken. Now we are going to find the SI unit of electric current. SI unit of electric current is ampere. SI unit of electric current is ampere, and SI unit of electric charge is, as we study above, is coulomb. C A, and SI unit of time is seconds. So 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 second. And the instrument which is used to measure the electric current is called ammeter. Instrument used to find the electric current is called ammeter, which is always connective in a series in the electric circuit. For example, this is electric circuit bulb. So this is electric circuit. Bulb. This is ammeter which is connected in series. This is connected in series. And this is key, battery. So whole this diagram is called circuit diagram. The flow, please remember, the flow of electrons is always from negative to positive. So flow of electron is like this. Flow of electron is from negative terminal of battery to the positive terminal of battery. This is the flow of electron in the circuit. This is key. If we open the key, means the circuit is open. Then current does not flow and bulb does not glow. If we close the key, means there is flow of current and the circuit is closed. Then bulb glows. So also remember the charge on electron. Charge on electron is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 coulomb. Units of charge is coulomb. So charge on electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to the power 19 minus 19 coulomb.